Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can become a top dasher on Doordash. Now this will be a very quick and easy video, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. So to start with, what is a top dasher? The Top Dasher program is Doordash's way of recognising and rewarding the best dashers. Qualifying dashers will receive special benefits to recognise their drive to go above and beyond for Doordash customers. So how does the program work? If you meet the criteria on the last day of the previous month, you will be considered a top dasher this month. For example, to become a top dasher in February, you must meet the criteria by January 31st, 11:59 PM local time. You can access the Dasher Rewards page in the account section of your Dasher app, where you can review the rewards you will receive for the month. You will have access to these rewards until the last day of the month. So how do I qualify for the program? In order to qualify to become a top dasher, you must meet all of these criteria. So to start with, you must have a customer rating of at least 4.7. You must have an acceptance rate of at least 70%. You must have a completion rate of at least 95%. You must have 100 completed deliveries during the last month. And you must have at least 200 lifetime deliveries completed in total. So if you do meet all of those requirements, you will qualify for this Top Dasher program. So what rewards do I actually get from being part of the program? As a Top Dasher, you will always be able to dash now, even when the zone on the map is grey. But please note that just because you are able to dash/schedule at your convenience, this does not mean that it will always be busy. They still recommend dashing in areas that are red on the map. So that's exactly how you can become a top dasher on Doordash. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you now know how to become a top dasher. If you do, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.